Well, if you don't want that happening to you every morning, you'll be glad you watched this video before getting lied to by the cars salesman. Reliability is a key factor when it comes to cars. It means you can count on your vehicle to work properly without unexpected breakdowns or constant repairs. If your car isn't reliable, it can lead to frustration and distrust, which can take the joy out of owning a car. To help you make informed choices, we've gathered data from our extensive driver power survey, which compiles feedback and experiences from real car owners. This information is invaluable for anyone looking for dependable cars. We want to recommend cars that not only perform well, but are also trusted by their owners in everyday use. Now, let's take a closer look at the top 10 less reliable cars and why they didn't score well in terms of dependability. Volvo XC60. While the latest version of the XC60 may appear sleeker, it's the older model that has garnered a reputation for reliability. Owners find it not only visually appealing, but also remarkably comfortable and dependable. It's a testament to the enduring quality of the older generation. Lexus CT. Lexus has consistently made the right moves in terms of creating reliable cars, and the CT is no exception. This premium family hatchback offers an alternative choice with its hybrid technology, luxurious interior, and high reliability. These factors make it a safe bet for those who want both style and dependability. Suzuki Vetara. The Suzuki Vetara stands out as a value-oriented SUV. It combines sharp looks with a generous amount of standard features and a pleasing driving experience. While no car is entirely issue-free, the Vetara has had minor problems reported by owners, making it a relatively dependable choice in its class. Kia Ceed. The Kia Ceed is renowned for its reliability and is backed by a substantial 7-year warranty. This small family car provides ample space, comfort, and excellent value for money. It's the kind of car that, once purchased, you're unlikely to regret, thanks to its reliability. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is renowned for its luxury, technological innovation, and road presence. To add to that list, you can count on it for reliability. This large, flashy SUV can be relied upon day in and day out, making it a trustworthy choice for families and those who value both style and performance. Audi Q3. The Audi Q3 is a desirable and luxurious compact SUV. While a few issues have been reported by owners, such as concerns with interior trim and minor electrical problems, it remains a favored choice in the premium market, offering both style and dependability. Scoda Yetee. The Scoda Yetee may not have the most conventional appearance, but it remains a genuinely convincing car that is easy to recommend. Its characterful design is coupled with reliability, making it a dependable and enjoyable vehicle to have in your household. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 may not win awards for excitement, but it is celebrated for its reliability. According to our driver power data, it offers a comfortable driving experience, spacious interior, and generous standard features. As such, the RAV4 comes close to being the ideal family car in terms of reliability. In conclusion, the reliability of a car should not be underestimated. These less reliable cars, as identified by our driver power survey, may have their merits, but are less dependable than others. By considering these insights and experiences of real owners, we hope to guide you towards making an informed and trustworthy choice when it comes to your next vehicle purchase.